Okay, play. Okay, Inuhardo. Going to go, pass to 10 for 3. Yes, sir! 3 points by 10. Okay, Ibulsa now. Good to the ball. Ibulsa asking for play. Ibulsa, lumusot for 3. No good, nakuha ni Inuhardo. Inuhardo now, good to the ball. Pass to Aguado. Aguado for 2, no good. Ibulsa, pass to Jimeno. Ay, Hamago rin. Hamago for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Pen yung rebound. Bitaw ni bola. Okay. 2 points by jersey number 23. Rendon. Okay, Inuhardo. Pass to the Butanan. To Pen. 10 now to Hikong. Pen for the jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni Bado yung bola. Bitawan. Okay, out of bounds. Bola sa South B District. Okay, Ibulsa, wearing jersey number 14, flipping the ball. Ibulsa, nasa nakatayan. Ibulsa, pass to Hamago. Hamago. Pass to jersey number 23. Long pass to 3 points by jersey number 13, Brianna. Okay, nakatayan, Brian, building the ball. Pass to Pen. So Inuhardo for 3. Good, nakawani ba rin bola? May foul. Jersey number 9. First, Bungay. First, personal foul. First for the team. Okay, Aguado. Pass to the Butanan. The Butanan now for 3. So good, nakuha na yung rebound. Nakuha na Pen. The rebound. Okay, out of bounds. Last touch, jersey number 9. Okay, 11 seconds to shoot. Okay, Inuhardo. Pass to the Butanan for 3. No good. Okay, nakuha na yung jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 53. Pass to Hamago. So rebound. Okay, nakaskin yung Butanan. Butanan now, jersey number 4. Pass to Inuhardo. Inuhardo for 3. Swing good to the end. Okay, big done. Pass to Hamago. Hamago now. Nagmamadali. Hamago. Pass to jersey number 3 for 3. No good. Nakuha ni. Okay, pass to 10. 10 for jump shot. Yes, sir. 2 points by 10. Men's Hamago. Dribbling the ball. Hamago. Hanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to jersey number 23 to jersey number 9. No good, nakuha ni Pen. Pen, pass to the Butanan. Nakuha yung bola. Okay, nakuha ni Pen well. Pass to the Butanan for 3. No good pa rin. May foul. Jersey number 13, pushing foul. First personal foul. First for the team. Foul very well. Okay. Hamago, where jersey number 4, dribbling the ball. Hamago. Na-steal ni Butanan. Pass to Inuhardo. Inuhardo. Pass to 10 for 2 points. No good naman ni Ruela. No good pa rin naman ni 10. Yes sir, 2 points by 10. Okay, time out. Bola sa South B. Ibulsa. Inbound. Pass to Hamago. Hamago, wearing jersey number 4. Dribbling the ball. Hamago now, lusot. Pass to Ibulsa. Ibulsa pagkakul sa 3. No good. Nakuha ni Hamago for the 2 points. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni Hamago again. No good. Okay, out of bounds. Last touch. South B. Inuhardo. Pass to Aguado. Inuhardo again. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Ruela. Ruela for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Pen. Pen now. Blind pass. Sayang. Ipasahan ng hangin. Okay, jersey number 14. Ibulsa. Moving the ball. Last by the Butanan. Ibulsa pass to Hamago. Hamago to Beke. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni Ruela. No pass to the Butanan. for the layup. Yes, sir. 2 points. Brian Dakutanan. Okay. Score. 9-5 in favor of Poblacion. Okay, Dulsa. Pass to Brianna. To Campo, no good. Nakuha ni Rendon. Rendon now, halos by 2. Okay, no good. Nakuha ni Pen. Pen, pass to Inohardo. Inohardo now. Tukibo. Inohardo. Pass to Dakutanan. Dakutanan for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Jersey number 9. Dakutanan. Okay. Idolsa now. Losing the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Idolsa pass to Amago. Amago. Holding the ball. For 3. So good. Nakuha ni Aguado. Yung rebound. Aguado now. Pass to Pen. To Inuhardo. Inuhardo. Losing the ball. Transfer Amago. Pass to Dakutanan. Dakutanan now. Losing the ball. Last 1 minute. Okay. Dakutanan for 3. Yes, sir. Back-to-back 3 points by Brian Dakutanan. Okay, last 45. Amago. Pass to Brianna, no good. Nakuha ni Indon. Pass to Campo. Campo for the jump shot, no good pa rin. Nakuha ni Dakutanan. Dakutanan na, dinili ball. Pass to Peruela. Pass to Pen. Bumege. Pass to Dakutanan. Dakutanan pass to Peruela for 2 points. Yes, sir. Last 18 seconds. Idolsa. 15. Idolsa. Jersey number 14. Dinili ball. 10. Idolsa na, lumusot. Pass to Rendon. To Idolsa again for 3. Okay, Nardo, wearing jersey number 2, inbound. Pass to Tumagpo, wearing jersey number 10. Tumagpo again, Tumege. Pinasa kay Torsente, to Tumagpo. Pass to Bernardo. Okay, Tumege, Leon for 3. So good. Okay, 2 points. Jersey number 23. Indon. Okay. Dakutanan. Pass to Salas. Ikit. Tumalang. Tupaglipan. No good. Nakuha ni Torsente. Torsente now. Moving the ball. Pass to nowhere. Okay. Hula sa Poblacion. Okay. Midline. Inbound, pass to Humalon. Humalon, moving the ball. Pass to Dakutanan. Dakutanan. Pass to Ikpet. Ikpet for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Ikpet. Okay, Bernardo now. Moving the ball. Bernardo. Alas by Dakutanan. Bernardo. Pass to Torsente. Torsente now. Pass to Jersey number 1. Leon. Torsente again. Last 5 seconds shot clock. Kaya Torsente, jump shot, no good. Nagatuhan 2. Okay, na-steal Ikpet. Ikpet, pass to Dakutanan. Dakutanan na, gawin the ball. Pass to Ikpet again. Ikpet for 3, no good. Nakuha ni Leon. Leon now, gawin the ball. Leon, lumusot for the lead. Super fun! Okay, jersey number 2, Bernardo. Transfer Dakutanan. Okay, na-steal ni Walang. Nakuha ni Torsente. Torsente for 2, no good. Nakuha ni Paklipan. It's a pack. Out of bounds there. Okay. Humalon, iba. Pass to Dakutanan.
Sabi o Kobe.
Dakutanan now. Giving the ball. Score 27. In favor of Poblacion. Okay. Humalon for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Bernardo. Bernardo pass to Tumampo. Tumampo now. Giving the ball. Bernardo. 15 seconds shot clock. Okay, Leon to Bernardo. To Rendon. To Torsente. To good. Nakuha ni Lukaban. Pass to Dakutanan. Dakutanan giving the ball. Long pass to Humalon. Humalon for 2. Yes, sir. 2 points to Humalon. Okay, Leon now. Giving the ball. Pass to Bernardo. Bernardo giving the ball. Bernardo. Last point of Kotanan. Pass to Tumampo. To Bernardo again. 10 shoot. Okay. De Leon for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. De Leon. Score 22-10 in favor of Poblacion. Okay. Nasa palpal naman si De Leon. Okay. Tumampo. To Bernardo. Bernardo now for 3. So good. Nakuha ni Torcete. Okay, na-steal ni Humalan. Humalan, pass to Lagotanan. Lagotanan, pass to Ikpet to Dalia. Yes, sir. 2 points, Ikpet. Wearing jersey number 19. Okay, Torcete now. Giving the ball. Torcete, 15 seconds shot clock. Okay, Torcete, pass to De Leon. De Leon for 3. Na short. Okay, nakuha ni Hendon. To Tumampo for 3. No good pa rin. To Tumampo. Okay, nakuha ni De Leon. Okay, reserve sub. Okay, reserve timeout ang Poblacion. 5 to shoot. Okay, Tumampo. Foul. Timeout. Okay, Tumampo. First row. Yes, sir. Pasok. Wearing jersey number 10, Tumampo. Second row. Pasok pa rin. Okay, score 12 against 24. They were off. Poblacion. Okay, Lagotanan now. Leading the ball, asking for play. Okay, pass to Humalan. Humalan to Lukaban. To Tuno, good. Nakuha ni Bernardo. Long pass to Tumampo. A steal. Okay. Lagotanan now. Leading the ball. Nagmamali. Pinasa kang Ikpet. So good. Nakuha ni Bernardo. May sabit. Okay, foul on Lukaban, wearing jersey number 17. First personal foul, second for the team. Last 1 minute and 54 para sa tuwang second quarter. Okay, Bernardo now. Pass to De Leon, to Bernardo again. Uy, napilang bola. Okay, nagkuha ni Paglipan. Nastin ni Tumampo. Tumampo now, pinasa ito sete. Tumeke, to Tumampo. Tumampo, kumusot. May foul na naman. Okay, wearing jersey number 17, Lukaban. Second personal foul, third for the team. Okay, to De Leon, pinasa lang. Erickson pala. Torcete now, giving the ball. Pass to De Leon, De Leon. May foul! Foul si Humalan, wearing jersey number 5. First personal foul, warning for penalty. De Leon, first row. No good. Score 24 against 12 in favor of Poblacion. Okay, De Leon now, second row. No good pa rin. Sayang. Okay, De Leon, third throw. Yes, sir. Pumasok na po yung third throw ni De Leon. Okay, Humalan, inbound. Pass to Lagotanan. We're in the 11. Lagotanan. Okay, Humalan. Pass to Paglipan. Paglipan. Offensive foul. Coming from jersey number 3, Paglipan. Second personal foul, penalty. Okay, De Leon now. Bernardo. Tumampo. Well, just inside. Okay, Torcete. To Bernardo. To Torcete again. For 3. No good. Nakuha ni De Leon yung rebound. For 2. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni Paglipan yung rebound. Nakuha ni Humalan. Humalan. Long pass to. Uy, na-steal ni Tumampo. Sayang. Substitution. Okay, Lagotanan. Pass to Ikpet. Ikpet for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Hamago. Nakuha ni Dulce yung bola. Dulce now. Pass to Campo. Oh, Campo for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points by Loy. Campo. Score 24 against 16 in favor of Poblacion. Okay, Humalan now.
Tara.
And shoot. Paklipan. Paklipan na. Lusot. Okay, foul. Bakit ka? Under si number 9.
Bangga yan. Lawas. Gamit tayo lawas ba?
Bungay. Second personal foul. Second personal. Okay, tawag ni Lloyd yung bola. Out of bounds, mula sa poblasyon. Last 24 seconds. Okay, Lokaban. Tulog ka na. Kabupanan now. Pass to Pakipan. For 2, no good. Agaw ni Bungay. Last 10 seconds. Long pass to Bulsa. Okay. Last 7 seconds. Okay, Dakotana now. Dakotana, 4. Pakipan, 2 points. Okay, mula sa poblasyon. Okay, 10 now. Balik sa court. 10 for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Bungay. Hamago nagmamalala for the layup. Yes sir. 2 points. Red Hamago. Okay, 10 now. 10. Good to go. 10. This is 11. 15 seconds shot clock. Okay, Sales. To Huizo. 10 shoot. Okay, Heruela. Kumeke. Kumira ng 3. Yes sir. 3 points. Heruela. Okay, Hamago now. Pass to Ocampo. Ocampo for 3. No good. Nakuha yung bola. Aguado now. Bringing the ball. Pass to 10. Score 31-18 in favor of Poblacion. Okay, 15 seconds shot clock. 10. Pass to Huizo for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Bungay. Pass to Hamago. Hamago doon the ball. Nagkabagli. Hamago now. Nagarap ng ubusahan. Out of bounds. Pula South East. Okay, 15 seconds shot clock. Okay, jersey number 13, pass to Idosa to Hamago. Hamago now, shooting the ball, harassed by Heruela. Hamago for 3, no good. Nakuha ni jersey number 1, pass to 10 for the layup. Yes sir, 2 points. Jersey number 17, 10. Okay, Idosa now, moving the ball. Idosa.
Urot. Naon sa? Nakaigo.
Sales. Okay, Idosa. Pass to Ocampo lusot for the team-up, no good. Nakuha ni Huizo. Huizo, pass to Sales to 10. 10 now, moving the ball. Harap ni Idosa. Okay, Heruela now. 10 seconds shot clock. Heruela, lusot. 15, pass to Aguado. Aguado for 3. Yes sir, 2 points, Aguado. Hamago, pass to Idosa. Idosa, beautiful. Idosa to Hamago. Hamago lusot for the 2 points. No good. Nakuha ni Heruela. Long pass to 10. To Sales to 10. Yes sir. Okay, time out. Okay, maligay tubig. Ano na yun sa South Sea na kwan. Hindi mo kalit. Okay, water mo. Okay. Narbaw, mula sa Poblacion. Okay, Heruela. Pass to Dagotanan. Dagotanan now, doing the ball. Dagotanan to Sales. To Dagotanan again. Dagotanan, pass to Sales again. Okay, Sales, lumusot. Pinasa ng Dagotanan. Dagotanan, bumeke. Lumusot din. Pass to Aguado. Aguado for 2. Yes! 2 points, Aguado. Score 29-18 in favor of Poblacion. Muntik na lamangan ang possession. Ngayon, mga idol. Okay. No good. Yung press na diliwan. Nakuha ni Torsende. Okay, Bernardo now. Pass to Torsende. Nakita yung bola. Nakuha ni Torbampo. Fire to shoot. Two. Bola sa possession. Okay, Ruizo, Nakotana, using the ball. Pinabantayan ni Bernardo. Nakotana now, lumusot. Oh, 3 points, Nakotana. No good, nabanabada yung bola. Nabalo for two, Ruela, yes sir. 2 points, follow-up shot by coming by Ruela, wearing jersey number 15. Okay. Lindon, holding the ball. Pinasa ang De Leon, 10 shoot. Okay, for 2, no good na lang. Nakuha ni Sales. Okay, last touch, South B. Wala sa possession. Last 1 minute and 57. Okay, Nakotana now. Lumusot. To the layup. Yes sir. 2 points. Then, Nakotana. Okay. Bernardo, giving the ball. Bernardo, connect. Pinasa na tumambok to De Leon. De Leon to Bernardo. 10 shoot. Bernardo connected. Pass to Lindon. 5 to shoot. Okay, Bernardo connected again. 2. Okay, no good. Nabanabada yung rebound. Pass to Nakotana. Nakotana, giving the ball. Nakotana. Yes. Hindi ka naman steal. Okay, out of bound. Mula sa possession. 16 seconds shot clock. Ruizo, inbound. Pass to Nakotana. 15. Uy, na-steal ni Lindon. Lindon na, nagmamagalin. Lindon. For 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Very jersey number 23, Lindon. Okay, na-steal na naman. Nakuha ni Leon. Okay, score 43-21 in favor of possession. Okay, reverse layup, no good. Nakuha ni Torsende. Pass to Tumbambo for 3, no good. Okay, napanagado. Peruela now, last 35 seconds. Okay, Nakotana, shooting the ball. Nakotana, Musot. Nakotana, pass to Sales. Musot for 2 points. No good. Nakuha sa kalaman. Okay. Tumampo for the layup. No good. Shot clock off. Okay, between last 15 seconds. Sales, 2 points. Yes, sir. 10. Bernardo. 5. Okay, 2 points. Okay. Lindon, pass to Idulsa. Pass to Lindon. Lindon now, by the baton. So Idulsa again. 15 seconds shot clock. Bungay. Rasay paglipan. Bungay for 2, no good. Nakuha ni Penny ang bola. Na-steal ni Bungay. Bungay. For 2 points. May foul. Who's foul ref? Who's foul ref? Foul on jersey number 3, Paglipan. First personal foul. First for the team. Okay, Bungay, first go. Yes sir, pasok. Okay. Second throw, pasok pa rin. 25 in favor of possession. Okay. Paklipan, no good. Nakaparin natin ang Paklipan. It's a traveling violation. Ang tinawag ng referee. 35 in favor of possession. Okay, Idulsa now. Bring the ball. Idulsa, pass to Bungay. Bungay, pamekay for 2 points. No good. Nakuha ni Eduardo. May foul. Jersey number 9. Okay, time out. Charge 2. Okay, Dakotanan. Pass to Humalon. To Inohardo. Inohardo now. Bring the ball. That's by Denzo. Okay, pen now. Pumege. Lumusot for the lead. Yes, sir. 2 points. Pen. Idulsa. Pass to Sende. To Renzo. No good. Ngayon, no good pa rin. To the lead again. No good pa rin. To Bungay. Yes, sir. 2 points. Bungay. Okay. Dakotanan. Moving the ball. Pass to 10. 15 seconds shot clock. Dakotanan. 10 shoot. To Paklipan. To Pen for the reverse layup. Yes, sir. 2 points. 10. Okay. 49, 25, 27 eh. Okay. Okay, 2 points by jersey number 23. Okay, Inohardo now. Bringing the ball. Inohardo. My foul. 14, Idulsa. First personal foul. Second for the team. Okay. For Dakotanan. 10 seconds shot clock. Dakotanan for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Denzo. May foul. Jersey number 17, 10. Substitution. 49-29. Second throw. No good. Substitution. Gawas sa pagawas. Sunod. Last 3 minutes and 55. Nasa to ang fourth and final quarter. Okay. Torsende. Pass to Leon. For 2. No good. Nakada yung bola. Pass to Inohardo. Inohardo now. Bring the ball. May foul. Si jersey number 11. Torsende. First personal foul. Third for the team. Okay, Dakotanan to Dakotanan. Inohardo for 3. No good. Nakuha ni. Okay, Torsende now. Bring the ball. Hindi nakita. Okay. 10 shoot. Leon for 3. Good. Nagwada yung rebound. Nagwada to Dakotanan. To Heruela. Uy, nasa palpan. Substitution rep. Rendon out. Ocampo in. Okay. Torsende, pass to Isidero. Okay, to Bungay, nagawang bola to 2 points. Yes sir, Bungay, 2 points. Dakotanan now, doing the ball. Okay, insert timeout ang poblasyon. Okay. Aguado. Giving the ball, hands by Bungay. Aguado. The screen for the 2. No good. Nakuha ni Inohardo. Sayang, nakuha ni Torsende. Nakuha ni Bungay. Pass to Desierto. Ocampo. Pass to Bernardo. Still. Okay, Bungay now. Bernardo on the line. Inbound. Bungay. Pass to Ocampo now. Lusot. Pinasa ka Bernardo. To Bungay again. To the screen. May foul. Jersey number 17. Luke Caban. First. Okay, Luke Caban. Third personal foul. Third for the team. Okay, Torsende. Pass to Bernardo. 10 to shoot. Bernardo to Torsende for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Vicento. Okay, nakuha ni Aguado. Higpit now. Win wrong. Higpit. Nabantayan ni Torsende. Okay. 10 second shot clock. Higpit. Higpit. May foul. Jersey number 9. Bumay. Fourth personal foul. Warning for disqualification na ka. Bumay. Okay, Lokalan. Harap mo saan. Pass to Higpit. Higpit now. For 3. Huiso. No good. Sales. Yes sir. 2 points. Sales. Last 1 minute and 40. Para sa pang 4th of final quarter. Bernardo. 15 seconds shot clock. Shooting the ball. Bernardo. Steal. Huiso now. Holding the ball. Pass to Lucaban. Nakurat si Lucaban. Pass to Sales. Sales to Higpit. 15 seconds shot clock. Higpit now. 10 to shoot. Higpit. Rush to Torsende. Okay, pass to Aguado. 5 to shoot. Aguado for 3. Yes sir. 3 points. Aguado. Score 54-31. Zero off. Publishon. Last 1 minute. Okay. No good. Nakuha ni Lucaban. Pass to Sales to Lucaban. Lucaban to Sales. Sales for 2. Yes sir. 2 points. Sales.
May raw.
Okay, Torsende. 40. Torsende for 2. No good. Nakuha ni Lucaban. Higpit. 39. 14. Shot clock. Lucaban for 3. Yes sir. 3 points. Dep. Double ba utog. Lucaban.
Champion.
Okay, congratulations.